This one does have something in it. How cool is that? All right, Hazel. Okay, how am I gonna differentiate these? I'm gonna put this one over here for just a minute. We'll tuck it back under you. This one does too. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have so many little chickies. That's gonna be fun. I know, honey, I'm not trying to stress you out. I'm sorry. Okay, so this one is gonna be really weird because the white egg, that is our Mohawk chicken. We'll get you all situated again. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the veins. That's pretty cool. Okay, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. I know you're like stressed out. Another one. I'm sorry to do this to you, sweetie. It's a one-time thing. Nope. All right. Oh my gosh. Yep, there's something in there.
Bunch of fertile eggs.
Yeah, Chickzilla is doing his job. Look at the veins, but that one doesn't look like it's really doing much. That one's way behind if it's actually fertile. All right, honey, I know, I'm sorry. I'll put them back. Wow, that one is doing good. Okay, I'm sorry. Wow, that one is really something happening in there. Okay, I will put them back and I will leave you alone. I am sorry to traumatize you like this, honey. There you go, Hazel. Are you anxious for some food, you guys?
Chicken feed. My favorite.
Okay, let's see. Oh, no, guys. Okay, ready to see this mad scramble? No. Okay, hang on. Ooh, they're getting a little better. I realize a standard feeder might be a bit easier in this moment, but I don't want to buy more that I likely won't use after this experiment is over, and these chunks are going to be way too big to fit into this feeder in just 1 week's time. Okay, so these are the Cornish. Hi. Hello, fugly one. And this one just isn't really growing much at all. Oh my goodness. But yeah, when they start losing their baby feathers, they just get naked and pink and really fat. Look at this. You got a naked booty. All they want to do is eat. Right? That's it. Eat and poop and sleep. And lay around. I've decided I'm only going to keep up to 10 meat birds. I'll choose one rooster and the rest will obviously be females, but I'm starting to pay attention to who looks the healthiest. I'm also taking into account some pros and cons that each breed has. So far, the Delaware are the least hygienic. I hate refilling the Delaware's water. This is disgusting. But cool personalities, great foragers, and good-sized birds. The Bresse are good foragers, but oddly don't eat any food scraps I put out. The males are good size, which is great, but they take 4 to 6 more weeks to mature than the Rangers and Delawares. And the females are tiny. But a friend who raises them says the hens lay a lot of eggs, so I might as well incorporate those 2 girls into my layer flock. I'm pretty confident, though, that the Bresse roosters will find their way to freezer camp. Now with the Rangers, we have quite a variety. On average, they're eating more and costing more, but I love watching them. They forage, dust bathe, and love eating up our kitchen and garden scraps. Our current rooster is my favorite chicken we have, and he is half Ranger, so I'm trying not to be biased. Week 7 is here and gone. I was trying to think, how am I going to get a size comparison picture, but this is just perfect. So I think Shrek, right there, is the biggest Ranger. He is significantly bigger than the Delaware and the Bresse. So this guy, this Ranger right there, is probably average size ranger. So he's still bigger than the Bresse rooster that's over, gosh, right there. But then he's not too much bigger than the bigger Delawares over here. The Bresse are scared of it. Yeah, the rangers will find it. They're fighting over a big fat slug. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it's oozing. Oh my gosh, that poor slug. What a way to go. They are very excited about this. Oh my goodness. They want slugs, but they don't want any like apple scraps, or I don't understand this. I think you won, dude. Congratulations. Yeah, good luck getting that slime off. Popping a wheelie. Alright, so we've got the Bresse out of their tractor because I need it for Hazel and the babies when they start popping out. And I'm just rigging up something super simple here with what we had. So there's their shelter, food and water. I'll stick their food under there in just a little bit. Yeah, so this is going to be their area for the rest of until V-Day. That is the Delawares. I scooted it over and they are out right now. I don't even know how many that is right there. That's a lot of chickens. They all want to dust bathe. And then there's this guy. Bunch of ruckus happening right here, and right there I just saw a young hawk. Gosh, how far back was I'm so bad at that.
50 yards maybe?
Yeah, 50 yards away or something. I saw a bird land right there, and it was bigger than anything that I had seen come in before, like little chickadees come pick up pieces of grain and stuff. But Chickzilla had made sure all of his ladies were inside the coop. Nobody was out. I ran over here and scared it away. I cannot believe that just happened.
Insane.
That is why you have a rooster.
Wow.
So when a hen goes broody, hormones kick in, which actually keep her from laying eggs for a while. Funny thing is, none of the eggs she is laying on are actually hers. Hazel lays pretty blue eggs. I hated to move her, but I heard the first little peep and I just had to see. Congratulations, Mama! You did that! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness. Okay, Mama, you get back on that baby. Hello, Hazel.
Did you hear it?
Yeah, there's something. Oh gosh, I see her poo right there. There's a lot of chicken poo because she doesn't want to move, I bet. Oh, and look at Chickzilla. He's worried. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, buddy.
Dude, he is so soft.
Do you seriously think you're going broody again? Honey, what? You guys, I can't with all this. What, Rasta? Did she steal your egg? This is all very dramatic. Goldie, did you steal her egg? What happened? Is it hot in there? My goodness. Apparently, Goldie really means it this time. I got these fertilized black copper Moran eggs from a friend. This is all Goldie gets. I haven't forgotten that these videos are supposed to be about the meaties, but I'll throw some baby peep business in there too. For one thing, friends and family want to see it all, and the ups and downs you'll see are part of the whole experience. Well, hello everybody. She's like, hey, don't be poking at me. I'm laying on babies here. Alright, it's time to move, you guys. I know, Hazel, this is going to be a bit much, but we need more room. After a very dramatic move, have I mentioned that Hazel is my most neurotic chicken? Hazel and her babies are all tucked into a chicken tractor inside our greenhouse. And this little guy was just having a really hard time. By the time a chick hatches, the yolk sac is supposed to be completely absorbed by the body. That wasn't the case with this poor little guy. The yolk was oozing all over the place. I really hope it wasn't a painful end for him. Once I noticed, I put him out of his misery very quickly. But I hated to have to make that call. Yes, those peeps were coming from inside that egg. When I moved Hazel, she had 8 chicks and 7 unhatched eggs underneath her still. She was too worked up from the move to actually want to sit on her eggs, so I quickly put them in my incubator. There's a very rhythmic tapping. Over the next 24 hours, another 5 eggs will hatch. He looks just like his daddy did as a little puffball.
These guys were born on the exact same day.
I have never dealt with this before, but apparently this chick had failure to thrive. It didn't even lose its baby feathers. It was a hard call to make because it seemed happy enough. It was eating, it was moving around and not in pain. But in 3 weeks, all of the Cornish were being butchered regardless. This is where my farmer mentality just has to kick in and cut my losses. I dispatched this one early. As for the rest of the Cornish,
Yeah, you guys are all very attractive.
originally I was hoping for the Cornish to get some outside time too, but because they aren't right next to the run, it's just a little too complicated to even get them out there, and I'm just not going to prioritize it at this time. Hopefully none of you feel that interferes with the comparison, but this is still a much better life than they would have gotten most anywhere else. Holy chicken, we are now 9 weeks in. Butcher Day is just 17 days away. I am very much looking forward to moving on. This experiment has been fun, but calculating every little thing has been a bit much during harvest and preserving season. I will leave you with the sweetest little video of Hazel and the babies. Part 5 will be out in a couple weeks.